Programming is done by turning the dial counterclockwise following these steps. First, you'll need to set the current time. Turn the dial to Set Clock. Use the plus and minus buttons to select the current time of day. Hold down the buttons to scroll more quickly to the desired time. Pay particular attention to the AM and PM. When you've reached the right time, turn the dial to the next position, Start Time. Use the plus and minus buttons to navigate to the time you would like watering to begin. Once you have set the watering start time, turn the dial to How Long, enter how long you want the timer to water, from 1 to 240 minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons to select your watering duration. Once you've set the watering duration, turn the dial to How Often. Finally, you'll want to tell the timer how often to water. Select intervals every 6 hours, every 12 hours, or once a day up to every 7th day. Use the plus and minus buttons to select your watering frequency. Once you've set the watering interval, turn the dial to Auto. Congratulations! Your timer is now programmed. Make sure your dial is on auto to allow your timer to water according to program time, duration, and frequency. To stop all watering, turn the dial to Off. Maintenance and winterizing are important and will prolong the life of your hose faucet timer. When expecting freezing temperatures, timers should be removed from the hose faucet and stored indoors, above freezing temperatures, to avoid potential freeze damage. The inlet filter traps dirt particles. Clean filter regularly and replace if worn. To use your faucet manually, not interrupting the set program, simply press the manual button while the dial is turned to auto. When you first press the manual button, the timer will display 10 minutes automatically. Using the plus and minus buttons, you can select watering times from 1 to 240 minutes. Once watering has finished, the timer will automatically resume your programmed watering schedule. To stop manual watering, turn the dial to Off. Turn the dial back to auto to resume your programmed watering schedule. Rain delay allows you to postpone watering for a set period of time. To access the rain delay, press the plus button with the dial turned to auto. Select 24, 48, or 72 hours. After the set period of time, the timer will resume scheduled program. To manually remove rain delay, turn the dial to Off and then back to auto.